Squash it. Ichima. Woo! On the water squat. Squat. Your dirty moment camel. Squat, squat, squat. Oh, can ninjas go rabble, 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 rabble.
What up, YouTube? It's Darren. It's your boy Darren here. In a proper spot right here.
Darren. Oh.
You need to hold it like the other way.
Hold it the other way.
Yeah, vlog yourself. Don't vlog me.
Yeah, boy. Push it. Hey, you need to pump that iron. Do it. Actually, yeah. You need to. Resistance.
Hey, you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03. I've been fucking motion, I've been feeling sweet, I feel just like a rock.
So today we're doing a photo shoot for the Black Studio, representing the Asian.
Yeah, putting us on the map, bitches!
So we're just gonna do something totally different with Asian style, with the Yakuza right here, the boss, the player, and nice. But don't be fooled, he's gangster. Hashtag out to kill.
Ichima. Woo! On the water squat. Squat. Your dirty moment camel. Squat, squat, squat. Oh, can ninjas go rabble, 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 rabble. On the water squat. 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 Your dirty moment camel. Oh, can ninjas go rabble, 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 rabble.
Hi guys, so I'm actually not meant to be shooting today because I'm like having the biggest hangover of my life. I'm kind of hanging out with the Black Studio crew and they're looking really good.
What up?
So like, I'm feeling major FOMO right now and I decided to put on my makeup and just shoot with these guys. Do you want to do your intro?
Alexander Wang, hit me up.
I'm
Make
a
it
realist,
like
bro.
the best hangover food.
Oh yeah, I need it.
Everyone's been working hard. Very good team.
I'm feeling so much better with the KFC.
Breakfast, this is 3:30 and this is breakfast. Literally it's my first thing.
Has it recorded?
Yeah, it knows you're Vicky. What the fuck?
Oh, it's because it's my camera.
Here we go. The Black Studio Roadshow. You go outdoors with Sky.
Yeah, so Sky's gonna fix up my hair so shit ready.
There's not much I can do outside because
What do you mean? You do the best.
you know, because we have no power.
So what would you do in this situation?
So good, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna really smoothen her hair with gloss shine, just to weight it down with this humidity, and then we're gonna finish it up with hairspray, just really make it smooth and slick look. Especially the dresses she got as well, it's really cool to, if you like back, just get it off her shoulder to show off her beautiful physique. So now she was hangover.
Yeah, I'm so fine now.
She's so inspired to shoot with us.
I am very inspired.
And now she just wanna
I just want to join in.
and join the fun.
It's like having the biggest FOMO.
And we're gonna use L'Oreal hairspray. If we go like this, if I just leave it like that and let it set, it's gonna go hard. But I ain't gonna do that, so I'm just gonna comb it. And it goes soft, but yet it holds. So it had that kind of jelly look, but it's not.
Also, is it kind of like a wet look?
Yeah.
I like it.
Bro, Vicky, you need a mic, eh?
Yeah?
Yeah, you honestly need a mic.
Is it not good enough? It sounds
I just know that.
I know.
Yeah.
I'll buy one. Eventually.
When she hits her first 200 subscribers, she's gonna get a mic. So like and subscribe.
Have you guys all subscribed? Subscribe now.
Subscribe now. This button here, right here. Give us a thumbs up.
Right here, this button.
This button right here.
Right here. Wait, bring it up.
Yeah, bring it up.
Bring it up. Right, there. Bring it up. We use this paper. Try not to. Down. I know it feels weird, but just. Yeah, right.
All of my ninjas with the nine. ASAP mob, we gon' rap every day. Underwater squad, yeah, we the killer whales. Finna get wet with the heat when we spread. Fuck the enemies. You can find me, mama, with my ninjas every day. Nigga, this ain't no industry. I be with my niggas from 143 every day.
Can you guys do it again?
It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
And yet we're here at home, under the bridge. The bridge to success. Oh!
So last week went so well, we decided to do it.
Another one.
Another one. We're gonna bring in like a new members of the crew.
The members of the
Well,
crew.
you've seen
this
nice
guy,
before.
nice, but
Nice is not very nice. You know? Not really.
I'm shy, but
See,
I'm
he's
shy, but I'm
gangster.
gonna take my shirt off for you.
Daz,
Wow.
you know,
He
plus
doesn't
clown. We've got we today.
look- We, the new member of V, hashtag V.
And Apple. Me and my girl Giovanni.
Bitch, I'm zombie. 너무 마신 싸구려 coding. 여전히 몸엔 coming. Camel down, you know we going. Hotter than a motherfucking name. 난 욕조에 누워 쇼핑해. 이거 babe. Kiss 8, bitch, you my killer whale. Killer whale.
That looks good. It's all about the angle, eh?
All about the angle.
Yeah. How many trims can you do?
No.
Where's nice? Oh, he's too pretty.
No. We're gonna build a wall. A big wall over Mexico. Wow.
A very nice wall.
Yes, it's gonna be very nice.
Beautiful, big
Beautiful.
wall.
Nice.
Yeah.
No, Hillary. No.
No. Quiet, Darren, quiet. I found a new friend.
I can't do this on my
Frankie, say hi to the camera.
Someone watching this shit close. I've been meeting somebody.
You're so cute. Hi, handsome.
Me too, man. That's a wrap. We're going home. He just ruined it. He just ruined the vibe. We're going home. Let's go. Out of here.
I'm the boss though.
You like, drop me a line.
It's a wrap.
It's not a rap.
It's a wrap.
Okay.
We on, we're recording. What's that? Officer?
I don't know what they're doing.
3, 2, 1. It's a rap. G-O-T.
Squad shit. 잊지 마. On the water squat. Your dirty moment camel. All can ninjas go rapper, 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 on the water squat. Your dirty moment camel. All can ninjas go rapper, 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 rapper,
Sippin' Henny got me going ape shit. Weed got me wasted. Walked up in this bitch like I'm Asian. Been a minute since I've been in Shibuya. Goddamn, it been a long vacation. Keep vaping the cut like Fredo. I'm gon' be alright. Better duck when you see his K blow. He gon' take your life. All of my ninjas with the 9 ASAP mob, we gon' rep every day. Underwater squad, yeah, we the killer whales. Finna get wet with the heat when we spread. Fuck all my enemies. You can find me mobbing with my ninjas every day. Nigga, this ain't no industry shit. I be with my niggas from 143 every day.
Squad shit.